Hi first grade friends, I am so excited to be back with you doing a new phonics lesson. You'll need two things today. You'll need a piece of paper and a pencil. And at any time if you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that, and then you can just restart it when you're ready, okay? We'll start with our sound cards. I'll go first and you'll be my echo. A. E. I. O. U. Z. X. W. G. M. B. And I know this is a B because the bat comes first and then the belly. C. D. I know this is a D because the drum comes first. Y. V. T. J. L. R. K. F. N. H. P. Q. S. All right, here come our digraphs, our two letters moving together to make a new sound. T, H, T, H, S, H, sh. C, H, ch. W, H, w. All right, here come our blend. Two letters blending together to make a new sound. Get your blending thumbs ready. P, L, pl. B, R, brr. T, R, tr. S, K, sk. F, L, flu. B, L, boo. All right, now we'll move into our sight words. I'll say the word, you can be my echo, and then I'll use it in a sentence. After. Try it with me. After. I brush my teeth after I eat breakfast. After. Again. Try it with me. Again. We watched the Penguin movie again last night. Again. An. Try it with me. An. I ate an apple as a healthy snack. An. any. Try it with me. Any. My son asked, do we have any Honey Nut Cheerios? Any. All right, so now you'll need that paper and pencil that I told you about earlier. And I would like you to set up your paper just like we did last week. We're going to make 4 columns. The first column is going to have a line that represents the consonant in King E. Second column, I, the line that represents a consonant, King E. Third column, O, the line that represents the consonant in King E. And the fourth column, U, the line that represents the consonant in King E. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can set up your paper so it looks like mine. All right, I'm going to say a word. We can pull it down from the sky together. We'll tap it out, and then I'll write it on my paper. You give it a try on your paper. The first word is the word shade. I pull down the shade in my bedroom so the sun doesn't wake me up very early in the morning. Shade. I'll pull it down from the sky. Try it with me. Ready? Shade. Let's tap it out. Sh-a-d. Shade. I want you to think about what long vowel sound you hear. What vowel is King Ed saying? Say your name to. I hear A saying its long vowel sound in the word shade. So I'm going to put it in my first long A column. I'm going to sound it out as I print it. Try it with me. The word is shade. Sh. A. D. I can't forget my King E. If I don't have him, it would not say shade, it would say shad. But we're using the word shade. I'm going to go back and underline my SH digraph. I'm going to give a crown to my King E and draw an arrow over to the vowel A that he's yelling at. Say your name. And then put my long vowel macron above my A. Shade. All right, here's your next word. The word is smoke. There was a lot of smoke coming from the fire pit as we toasted marshmallows. Smoke. I'm going to pull it down from the sky. Try it with me. Smoke. I'm going to sound it out. One finger for each sound. Here we go. We need our blending thumb. Sm-o-k. Smoke. I want you to think about what long vowel sounds you hear. I hear long O saying O, sm, O, k, smoke. So I'm going to my third column, my long O column. That first sound I hear is sm, O, k. Can't forget my King E. If I don't have him, it would say smock, but we're using the word smoke. I'm using a K instead of a C because if I had a C there, he would make his soft sound S because an E comes after it. We want to use the K sound, so we're going to use the letter K for the word smoke. I'm going to go back. I'm going to put a blending symbol under my SM. Sm. I'm going to give a king crown to my King E. Draw an arrow over to the O because he's the vowel that the king's yelling at. Say your name. And a long vowel macron above O. Smoke. All right, your next word. The word is pride. When we go to a sporting event, we cheer and clap for the team and we show our pride for them. pride. Let's pull it down from the ceiling. Pride. Let's tap it out. You need your blending thumb first. Here we go. Pride. Pride. Stop and think about what long vowel sound you hear. I hear I saying its long name. So I'm going to my second column, starting with my first sound, pr. Pr. I. D. Can't forget my king E. If I don't have him, it wouldn't say pride, it would say prid. But we're using the word pride, so I have my king at the end. I'm going to go back and code a blending symbol under my PR because they're saying purr. I'm going to give my E a crown, draw an arrow over to the I, the vowel that he's yelling at, and a long vowel macron above my I. The word is pride. All right, let's do one more. The word is flute. Some children play the flute in their school band. Flute. Let's pull it down together. Ready? Flute. Let's tap it out, starting with our blending thumb. Flute. Flute. Think about what long vowel sound you hear. I hear that long U, so I'm going to my last column. It's kind of a small space, so I'll have to write a little bit smaller than normal. Going to start with my first sound. Flu. Ooh. T. Don't forget my king E. If I don't have him, it wouldn't say flute, it would say flut. But we're working with the word flute. Going to go back, give a blending symbol to my FL blend, put a king's crown above my E, draw an arrow over to the U, that's the vowel that the king is yelling at, and put a long vowel macron above the U because it's saying its long sound. The word is flute. All right, now it's time for us to write a sentence. So underneath my words, I'm going to write a sentence frame to remind myself of what every good sentence needs. So I start with my mountain peak. That reminds me that every sentence starts with a capital letter. My line that represents I have all of the words in my sentence in the correct order. And then I have my 3 types of punctuation. I have my period for a telling sentence, an exclamation for a sentence that shows excitement, and a question mark for a question sentence. All right, today's sentence is, Shane rode his bike home. Shane is a boy's name. Listen to that sentence again. Shane rode his bike home. Try that with me. Shane rode his bike home. Let's count how many words it has. Shane rode his bike home. 5 words in our sentence today. So when we're done writing it, we want to make sure we have all 5 words. I'm going to write my sentence underneath my sentence frame. I'm looking at my sentence frame as a reminder of what every good sentence needs. I see my mountain peak, and that makes me think I need to start with a capital letter. The first word of the sentence is Shane, the boy's name. Sh. A. I can't forget my king E, because if I don't have it at the end of the boy's name, it would say Shan. But his name is Shane. Shane rode. O-D. Can't forget my king E. To make that O say O, if I forgot it, it would say rod. But we're using the word road. Notice how my D has the drum come first. Double check your D. Shane rode his. That's a sight word. I'm going to spell it as I print it. H-I-S. I-S. His. Shane rode his bike. B-I-K. Can't forget my king E to make that I say I. There I am using that K again, not a C, because if I used a C, he would make his soft sound S, because an E comes after it. So I have to make sure I'm using my letter K to say K. Shane rode his bike home. Oh, can't forget my king E, so my O says O. If not, it would say home. We're working with the word home. Shane rode his bike home. I'm thinking to myself, that's a telling sentence. I'm giving information. So I'm going to end my sentence with a period. Let's make sure we have everything a good sentence has. Do we have our capital at the beginning of the sentence? Yes, we do. Do we have all 5 words? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we do. Did we end with punctuation? Yep, we ended with a period because it's a telling sentence. All right, put your finger back under that first word. Let's read our sentence together. Ready? Shane rode his bike home. I would love to see your work. So if you would like mom or dad to take a picture of your words and your sentence, and if you drew a picture underneath, they can send it to me on Class Dojo and I will respond and let you know what great work you did. Have a fabulous week, first grade.